We will need 1 lemon, take the lemon juice, cut the lemon peels into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Add bay leaf, now take the ingredients in a saucepan. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Strain it. Add lemon juice. Mix it well. Cover the mixture for 30 minutes. Drink 1 cup every morning for 15 days and you will get very good results. You will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.